Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Talent Upskill, Class 8, English version, Math, Measurement chapter, Exercise 3. Question number 17. A reservoir contains 19,200 liters of water. Its depth is 2.56 meters and its breadth is 2.5 meters. What is its length? A reservoir. It has length so it has water in it. All these are water, full of water. This is length. This is length. This is depth. This is depth. And length is this. And which is breadth. This is breadth. Breadth equals to 2.5 meters. 2.5 meters. And depth equals to 2.56 meters. And length equals to, we don't know, we have to find out. Now they have given one information, that is 19,200 liters of water. So when reservoir is full, the water volume is 19,200 liters. 19,200. There is a relation between liter and cubic centimeter. 1 liter, we know 1 liter equals to 1 liter equals to 1,000 cubic centimeter. Centimeter or cc, we can write 1000 cc. Cubic centimeter means 1000 centimeter multiplied by centimeter into centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter into centimeter, 3 times you multiply, that is cubic centimeter. If 2 times you multiply centimeter, what would be the unit? Square centimeter. Now we are given the units in meters, length, breadth, but how we have to convert it into meters so that we can do the calculation easily. So we know the chart, milli, centi, deci, meter, deca, hecto, kilo, the unit we have to find in meter and it is given in centimeter. 1 liter equals to 1000 cubic centimeter. So from centimeter we have to go to cubic meter. If you want to convert a centimeter into meter, you have to divide by 100. Each step you go up, you have to divide by 10. Each step you come down, you have to multiply by 10. Because these are heavier units, so you have to divide by 10 each time. So when we convert centimeter to meter, we have to divide by 100. 10 into 10 is 100. So we can write So total water was 19,200 liters. Therefore, 19,200 liters equals to 19,200 multiply by 1000, and this is centimeter into centimeter into centimeter. Now we can convert this to meter. Why I am not writing? You can just remember that 1 cubic centimeter equals to how much cubic meter. But I don't want you to remember many things. You just learn how to do things, how to convert. If you know how to convert, you don't need to remember many things. So just remember this chart. It will be useful for many purposes. So here we will convert centimeter to meter. So for each centimeter we will divide by 100. Why? We have already learned. So 19,200 into 1000 divided by, for each centimeter divide by 100. 100 into 100 into 100. Now this was in cubic centimeter, this was centimeter, now it will be in meter. Meter, meter, meter. Meter into meter into meter equals to. So if we simplify, this 0 gone, this 0 gone, this 0 and 0 gone, this 0 gone, and this 0 and this 0 gone. There is one more 0 here. So the result will be 19. We can put a decimal point, 19.2, and cubic meter will be the unit, cubic meter. Instead of writing meter into meter into meter, we write cubic meter. And this is actually the volume of the reservoir, equals to volume of reservoir. We don't know the length of the reservoir. Suppose reservoir length equals to, suppose reservoir length equals to x meter. Because other units are in meters, we put it in meter. So x meter. Suppose reservoir length is x meter. From question we get depth and breadth. Breadth equals to 2.5 meters. And depth equals to 2.56 meters. Therefore, volume of reservoir equals to, what we know about volume, length into breadth into height or depth. So length is x meter, x meter into breadth is 2.5 meter, 2.5 meter multiplied by depth is 2.56 meters, 2.56 meters equals to 2.5 into 2.56 equals to 6.4. So we can write 6.4 x cubic meter. Now we already found the volume of reservoir is 19.2 cubic meter. So can we write 6.4 x equals to 19.2? Yes. Therefore x equals to 19.2 divided by 6.4 equals to, so this is 192 and this is 64. Just ignore the decimal, because if we multiply by 10 both denominator and the numerator, it will be 192 by 64 and the result is 3. So length will be 3 meters. 3 meter. Answer 3 meter. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.